Hi dear friends, this video refers to the Type-C standard cable from the Blitzwolf brand. Cable came in a high quality cardboard box and nothing damaged, as you can see. It came in good condition. Inside the box you will find a brochure and the cable itself. This brochure contains some information like email and QR code that contains, as I understand, a link to Blitzwolf site. And of course you can find this great cable. Length of this cable is about 2 meters. Despite the 2 meter length, the cable does not give a large voltage loss, which means it will be easy to charge your device. The shell of these connectors are made of aluminum. For me, one of the main advantages of this cable is braided covering, and of course it's mean that it will be very strength and durability. Well, I think that's all I want to say about this cable. You can find it in Banggood store. Thank you. Bye.